So we got Danny rolling over. He's gonna be coming over here with his RX-8. We're gonna be painting his wheels, probably bronze today. So we're just looking at, we're actually gonna pick up the paint, a couple pieces we need. We need to get his car up on 4 jack stands. So he's coming over with a couple things so we could do that. And let me get started by pulling the Subi out. And then we're probably gonna roll in the Raptor to go grab everything we need. Dude's pulling up right now. 100% rice bucket. Slow as shit. Dude, roll in. Might as well get it in now. Certified ricer. He knows it because it's true.
Jumbo Miata's here.
Damn, it's back.
Oh, dude, it's too long.
Dude, a NOS?
Hell yeah. You gotta start
We
to pay
need,
off right.
we need it. We need it.
Hell yeah, dude.
Here it is. Already bronze wheels, bronze coated.
You break dust bronze. There you go.
Break this bronze. We're gonna paint them that color, so he doesn't have to worry about that no more.
Hell yeah.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute. It's dirty. It's still the Jumbo Miata.
It's been non-turboed, deturboized.
Detuned. It's detuned.
Completely detuned. No performance value. This is strictly a rice bucket.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and loosen up all the lug nuts on this.
Rays, dude, I totally forgot I had these. Rays lug nuts, dude.
They're super light.
Yeah.
Once you take them off, you're like, damn, super nice.
Oh shit. That one's tight.
We're gonna put this up on 4s.
Hell yeah.
All right. Did you rip them all off?
No, that was just the
key.
The keyed ones.
Got it. All right, cool.
Just make sure you don't fucking rip off my goddamn wheel weights and shit. I already get vibrations and shit.
I mean, if the water does, that means they were really.
They were weak as fuck.
There's no more adhesive on it. He's got the gritty, the Trust exhaust, the Trust replica.
Right. Dude, that shit's so...
We've certified this as rice bucket.
So fucking bad, dude.
It's certified rice bucket.
I mean, I like the stickers there, but I really wish I had something different than the Gretty sticker.
Here over the gritty.
Yeah, it was cool when I was like,
Let's open this.
fucking way young. I keep cutting. But like nowadays, I'm like, that shit's garbage, dude.
So here's the pressure washer. Hopefully I didn't cut my head off with the camera because we can't see.
Here, let me check real quick.
Did I?
Nah, you're straight.
I'm
You're
good.
straight.
So I bought this mostly for detail cars, but this will be pretty fun to
Try it out on the wheels.
yeah. So I have my back to you guys, so let's connect the spray wand to the trigger handle. Right? I'm assuming the pieces will come out this way, so they do. Add more tracks that you can use for YouTube though. So like it's not like the same. Have you noticed for a while it's the same music?
Yeah.
So bad.
Everyone uses like the same music and stuff like that, which is nice, but like when you got like millions of people like with the same music pool, like it gets boring.
Right.
You're just like, I heard this one before. Fucking so and so did it. Fucking this person did it. So I went to fucking CarQuest because AutoZone didn't have shit. So we'll see.
We got this.
Yeah.
Texting while you're driving is not a safety thing. I'm practicing it, but like it's definitely not a safe measure.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, so we're mobbing.
We're mobbing.
It's advanced auto.
Yeah.
Starting route to 41630.
Wow.
Oh, that was loud.
Yeah.
Proceed to the route.
Siri, she's my
At
boss.
the light, turn left onto
She
Temecula
just
Parkway.
screams at you. It's alright, I got some Australian chick that bosses me
Yeah,
around.
that's a hot accent though.
Yeah. Alright. Just pulled up advanced auto parts over here. Ain't nobody here but Ricers. Looking at you, guy.
More rice.
This guy,
Oh
right?
shoot. That ain't me, bro. I thought you were looking at the Z.
Yeah, no, the Z2, man. But actually, I mean,
like it, dude. Dude, we're ricers at heart still.
that's pretty clean, though. That's pretty clean.
Mask on, bro.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Rice bucket's about to get gold paint. That's us. Damn, dude, you got just cleared out advanced auto, dude.
Yeah, cleared them out. All right, well, I'm taking a detour to Harbor Freight.
Picking up some new tools.
For show, testing out this 4K. We'll see which one looks better, or if they both look the same, or if they're both trash.
I think we can get this paint job done in, let's say, 3 to 4 hours, including the dry time. The sanding will. Oh, we need sandpaper. Harbor Freight has it.
They should.
And it's cheaper.
I don't know if they have like the quality or like the grit that we need.
We'll find out. I mean, worst case, we'll stop at Home Depot on the way back.
Yeah.
I totally forgot when we were in there, but you know what? I think it'll be cheaper here. So.
Yeah, we'll see. Oh, look at this turbo guy right here crossing the street. Oh, damn.
Dude.
Hitting that boost, son.
Come on, kick it into high gear. Upshift.
Oh, shit, dude. Taxis.
These guys really are moving.
Oh, yeah. See, look at these guys. They're full boost, dude. Look at that. Full boost. Shit, son.
Dude, those guys really loved their BMWs, man. He's like, I love it, man. I don't want to get it tuned.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
When
bro,
he was
just flash that thing.
dude, like,
Even Cobb has a 335i AP as well, so
it's like, who you kidding, man? Just fucking buy a damn tuner.
that thing's
flash
gonna.
it.
It's a BMW, especially a 335i. It's gonna have issues. You go on those forums; those guys all know they will have issues.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. Let's put this in boost mode while we can.
Oh yeah, dude. It's fucking. No, hit us up. Grassroots. Let's go. Oh yeah, son. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, dude. This thing feels nice.
Once you get going, dude, that was 75.
Dang. That was perfect product placement. All right.
That's probably like one of like 5 times I've hit red line in this.
Dude.
I've really babied this. This is my baby, dude.
Yeah, next time I gotta get the gauge closer. I was just watching down the road, but
It's all right.
damn, that felt nice, man. That was really good.
Not bad for a half-ton truck.
Yeah.
35-inch tires, dude.
Yeah,
It's
35.
stock tune.
If this
This is a stock tune still, so.
is stock, then let's see what the Cobb does.
Yeah, and if you get the downpipes, which not a lot of guys do, I think a lot of guys shy away from putting that on. Not that you know what, this is a truck that a lot of guys just like to roll stock on. There's a lot, me included, right here.
Yeah.
You know, one, it could be an $80,000 truck if you put all the options on it.
Yeah.
And you know, you got to enjoy it for what it is before you start putting stuff on it, I think.
Exactly. I mean that goes for any modded car. Like
Yeah.
if you're buying like, you know, $40,000 car and you're immediately modding it. I'm like, yeah, okay, I get it, but you're not enjoying the car.
Yeah, I want to enjoy the car in its factory form. This is a factory freak. Just love that phrase. But I do want to enjoy a car in its factory form, and then as I make small mods to begin with, I enjoy every stage of it, dude. Including just the car in its factory form. Just like the 8, dude. No performance value.
Yeah.
0 performance value.
I wouldn't say that. It's got some handling characteristics that are pretty
downhill
good.
toge, you can like.
Oh, dude.
Downhill toge anybody.
Fucking Takumi over here, the fucking no horsepower fucking car.
Doesn't matter.
Don't matter when you're going downhill, son. Fucking smoke people. Uphill, that's a different story, dude. My shit sucks. Oh shit! Way over there in the distance, the place called Harbor Freight.
It's where you get high-end tools.
You get your high end, the highest of the high.
Basically, if you're trying to get a snap-on tool, like you go to Harbor Freight and get it for like a third of the price.
Shit. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Actually, a couple of their tools, like the jack, the torque wrench, you got the Icon.
Yeah.
They've actually measured those against snap-on.
Yeah.
And they were rated
higher.
Equal or higher, dude.
Yeah, dude. I've had no problems with my oh, dude, I forgot to bring my torque wrench. God damn it.
I might get one here anyway. Let's see.
All right.
So we can. I need. My dad took my other one, so this is the E85 station. One of I think 2 around here. I think you said the other one was by the Valero or something, or what used to be Valero.
Yeah.
This is E85 right here.
Yeah. Speaking of that,
and look at the price difference, dude. Check this out.
Yeah.
305 is the card price. Let's just go with card price.
Yeah.
And 245 for E85. I mean, that's expensive, but for California prices, that's okay. 245 for E85, like a little bit out of the way here, but not super far, dude.
Yeah, you can make it.
You can make it, and now you could cut through Butterfield Stage.
Yeah.
All the way down.
Let's see. Oh shit, it's popping.
Stacked here, man.
Everyone's trying to get them deals, yo.
Got to mask up before you walk in.
Yeah.
Here,
I'd say park over here because.
Got the jumbo.
Yeah. Was it Jumbo Ranger? Alright. Cool. Alright. We just made our shopping trip. Watch out for this guy.
Oh,
that's fucking
turbo.
Dang,
dude.
That fucking no luck, dude. He's going on some faith that no one's gonna hit him, dude. But yeah, we got a Daytona jack. We got some sandpaper and polishes over there, and then jack stands. Let's see if they work. All right, bros.
Might need a little help on your end over here too.
Yeah. Grease some. Yeah, that one's bad.
Look at how much came off, too. That's caked on, bro.
Yeah. So round 2.
Probably gonna have to use a little bit of elbow grease.
Yeah.
Which is okay. Plus, we're gonna sand it, so some of it will come. If it doesn't come off here, when we sand it with fine paper, it'll come off for sure.
Yeah.
And we'll wet sand them so we're not damaging them. So if you want to, if you want, I can spray them again.
Yeah, let's try spraying it again.
Here's the Adams. This one's pretty good.
I heard about them.
You're gonna smell this one though. Ooh, it smells like burning hair.
It definitely does. But hey, it better work if it smells like that.
It should.
Dang, that's the
Can
center.
you smell it, dude?
Yeah. Let me, yeah. That center cap area, dude. That shit is...
Yeah, we're gonna have to use a little bit of arm strength, but
that's cool.
we're gonna be using that so once we wipe them down, we'll be able to wet sand them too.
Yeah.
So if you want to roll them here after we're done, like this in the shape, so we can start sanding.
Yeah. I got you.